This is our home, Earth, a planet full of life, constantly moving, constantly changing. In the early 2020s, our cities began to rise higher than ever before, millions of people living together in crowded skylines. And with every passing year, our population kept growing, racing from 7 billion toward an expected 9.7 billion by 2050. Small villages expanded into towns, towns grew into cities, and cities transformed into massive megacities, reshaping the way humanity lives on this planet. By 2050, our cities reach higher than ever. Massive skyscrapers touching the clouds, built with futuristic glass designs. At night, smart cities come alive. Glowing roads, flying drones, and autonomous air cars moving through perfectly organized digital traffic. Deep below the surface, vertical farms rise like green towers, feeding millions with fully automated systems and almost zero land use. And far beyond the cities, deserts, and mountains turn into energy hubs. Endless solar fields and giant wind turbines. By 2050, life in crowded megacities becomes harder as pollution thickens the air, turning skylines into hazy silhouettes. Coastal cities face rising seas, streets slipping underwater as modern towers stand against unstoppable tides. Farmlands that once fed millions crack under extreme drought, where water becomes one of the most precious resources. And across many regions, heat waves grow intense. People shield their faces as the air shimmers with dangerous temperatures. A new generation enters the world in advanced hospitals where robots assist doctors, and every heartbeat is tracked digitally. Augmented reality becomes a normal part of life. People interact with holograms just like screens today. Factories run almost entirely on automation, with drones and robots building and delivering faster than ever. Inside futuristic homes, energy-efficient systems respond instantly to voice, creating a smarter and safer everyday life. As cultures blend across the planet, global cities fill with diverse faces, languages, and traditions living side by side. Education transforms as children learn through VR classrooms, connecting from distant continents as if sitting together. Many traditional jobs disappear, replaced by automation, while humans work alongside AI assistants to shape new careers. And with better medicine and healthier lifestyles, people live longer, staying active even in their later years within vibrant city gardens. By the mid-century, our planet begins to heal. From space, Earth shows brighter blues and deeper greens, signs of restored forests and cleaner oceans. Underwater, coral reefs slowly return to life as fish swim again through crystal-clear waters. Near the edges of futuristic cities, wildlife sanctuaries let deer and birds live side by side with human progress. And from above, rivers run clear, windmills spin, and sustainable farms grow between modern skylines, showing a world rebuilding its balance. Nations connect like never before, creating global networks of green energy that power entire continents. In laboratories, scientists develop advanced medicines, pushing human life expectancy higher than ever. Transportation transforms. Hyperloop trains shoot across the land, and silent electric flyers glide over green corridors between cities. And as people leave polluted zones behind, clean energy districts rise, proving humanity can shift towards sustainability when it truly chooses to. A new generation learns differently. Children study climate, science, and responsibility as core subjects of their future. On rooftops and small community spaces, urban farming grows, bringing fresh food back into the heart of the city. Even refugee camps struck by climate disasters rebuild into organized and hopeful towns, designed for safety and resilience. And in parks, deserts, and forests, people come together to plant trees, simple acts that create powerful symbols of hope and renewal. For a moment, everything pauses. Earth glows in the darkness of space, lights turning on across continents as children laugh under a clean blue sky in futuristic parks, reminding us what we are fighting for. Cities, nature, technology, and people blend together, a vision of 2050 where balance is finally possible. The clock keeps ticking toward 2050. A digital countdown overlays the world, asking us what choices we will make before the time runs out. One final question appears. What will you choose for 2050? Followed by the mark of XNature, a reminder that the future depends on us.